The Air King Deluxe exhaust fan series features a low-profile grille that almost disappears into the ceiling. A side access wire compartment allows you to wire the fan without removing the interior parts. The 6-inch round non-metallic duct collar and damper protects against backdrafts. The energy-efficient blower provides quiet ventilation with sound levels from 0.5 to 1.4 zones. Air King provides multiple models to choose from, including 80, 90, 100, and 110 CFM models. All models are suitable and rated for continuous operation. Energy Star qualified, perfect ASHRAE 62.2 solution, and can be used to comply with California Title 24 requirements.